Robert from Kissimmee, Florida, has a question about foundation sealing.
Yeah, the last hurricane gave him some trouble.
Well, that gives everybody trouble.
Well, this one,
Please.
yeah, this is unique, though. Robert
That was a
writes,
big one, actually.
Yeah, well, water seeped in between the block and the foundation because apparently the house just sits there, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, it was bad enough to cause about $5,000 worth of damage.
Okay.
He says, we put a concrete wall barrier on the outside along the wall where the water got in. For the rest of the house, can I use a rubber or radon sealant to cover where the block and slab join? What's your advice?
I built in Florida for years.
Yes, you did.
All you do is you put concrete blocks right on the slab.
Exactly.
Here in Houston, we use wood frame. You're never going to make it waterproof. It's not a boat. But an elastomeric paint and a sealant would work if the water doesn't sit against the house.
Okay.
And even if you put a wall up, and I think he's overdoing it a little bit.
Rising water.
It will slowly get in. $5,000 is nothing compared to what some people went through, you know.
What is that, hydrostatic pressure?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
It is. Water will find its lowest point, and you can't stop it. So, yes, can you use a sealant? Will it help? Yes. But you need to, we're getting into more drainage, moving the water away quickly, and concrete blocks are not, I mean, they have holes in them. They have two big
porous
cavities. Yeah, and it's cement. Water comes through cement. So the elastomeric paint like we use on stucco helps a lot to keep the water shedding. But if it sits up against the house, you've got to find a way not to let it sit against the house.
There you go.
And not building a little wall, I don't think it's going to help. But yes, sealants and stuff will help.
Well, it could because it could slow the intrusion of the water.
Well, it can slow it, and if you can move it,
right,
that would be the way to go, right?
Right.
Like a retaining wall.
Exactly.
Okay.
like a.
Well, Charlie, we just went through Hurricane Harvey here 2.5 years ago.
Yep.
People were wrapping their homes with saran wrap and everything else.
Did.
Yes.
Oh,
$4,000 worth.
I feel so bad for that woman.
And now they're trying to sell stuff that you paint on. You can put your house underwater and it's not coming in. It's not going to work.
Was it the same guy who does that
and
boat
windows
with the spray stuff on it?
Actually, I used that on plumbing repair last night.
Did it work?
Yeah, it does.
There you go.
It's just a little piece of pipe.
Okay, but Robert, don't use it on your house.
No.
All right.
Flex Seal.
I'll tell you the other thing you want to use on your house is Tom. You can get a healthy daily dose of Tom anytime you want by sending your questions to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in, and we will post your answer in a video just like this one.